Okay, hello Lada Nation. I know you missed me. I know you think the US life has killed me, but no, man. I'm still alive, I'm still breathing. Maybe I'm a little bit brokey, but on a low key, I am still a low key. Okay, show it up, guys. I'm in Queens, New York City. Okay guys, so the plan today is we're gonna ask people, are they happy? What do they feel about happiness? And what is the definition of happiness in their opinion? So let's see what the people of New York think. Te puedo preguntar, en ese momento, ¿tú estás feliz?
Mucho, estoy feliz.
Ok, ¿puedes describir para mi audiencia qué significa felicidad para ti?
¿Por qué me siento feliz en este momento? Porque es un día soleado, porque tengo que respirar, tengo que tomar, estoy bien y ya con eso tengo mi felicidad.
Ok, y la última pregunta, ¿cuál es la definición para felicidad en tus palabras?
¿Cuál es la definición para mi felicidad? Tener salud.
Ok, ¿algo más?
Salud. Para mí es lo que quiero, salud.
Ok, gracias mucho para tu tiempo.
Gracias.
Guys, we got George with us. George, tell us.
I'm doing a YouTube thing real quick.
Tell us, man, are you happy?
Happiness is, it's just living life. It's just living life, man.
Okay, how do you feel? Are you happy?
I'm very happy. I just go day by day, not thinking about tomorrow, and definitely not thinking about yesterday. You just gotta keep moving forward with everything you do in life.
Sounds good, man.
And if you attract positive things, you get positive results.
That sounds great. Thank you for your answer.
Yeah, man.
Okay, guys, with us we have a Greek woman with the name Spiridula. Tell us, for my YouTube channel, are you happy?
Yes, I am.
That looks great. Can you define happiness in your opinion?
In my opinion, for me, happiness is to have people that you love. What else? And to have some job, to wake up every morning, and be healthy and have people all over you that you love. And
Spiridula, thank you very much for this nice answer. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
We got with us George, Greek guy who owns a coffee shop. George, tell us.
The happiest person alive.
The happiest person alive. Great. If you're so happy, George, can you tell us what makes you feel so happy?
If you accept everything that's going on, okay, and realize that it is what it is, then you become instantly you're gonna become happy. Okay?
That sounds
That's
great.
the first thing.
Okay. And the second thing?
Then the second thing is that you realize it's like what everyone is saying. When you realize what you have and not focus on what you don't have, you become even happier. And the last thing is that if you like going for your goals, that makes you happier. You don't have to reach them. To be
Man,
happy.
that's a
it.
great answer. Okay, Vlada Nation, with us we have a guy who is very famous around Queens. His name is Jose. Jose, my friend, can I ask you, are you happy?
Yeah, very happy. Yeah, because you're here in my business. And that makes us happy.
That's good. And happiness in your own words, what is it?
Everything. Everything makes you happy.
What is the most important thing in life? What you think?
Life. Yeah, life. Yeah, la vida, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, my man.
No problem, amigo.
Have a nice day. How you doing? May I ask you a question for YouTube? Are you happy at this moment?
Yes.
Tell me in your words, what does happiness mean for you?
That's a good one.
Okay, okay. So, in your definition, what is happiness? Ultimate happiness is what for you? How does it feel? You said you're happy, right? How does it feel for my audience, Vlada Nation?
I think it means being alive.
Okay, okay, that's deep. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
David, my friend, tell me one answer. Are you happy?
Yeah, of course.
Okay,
Look at where we are right now.
describe it for my audience. How does it feel when you're happy?
I would say happiness is when you find a balance in your life where you're able to enjoy everything.
Damn, man, that sounds like Aristotle.
So hey, that's the New York lifestyle.
Okay, guys,
I like it better here.
this is second try. First time I messed up, now we're gonna do it right.
Yeah.
We got Hane and Esma with us. Hane and Esma, one question, most important in life. Are you two happy?
Yes, we are really happy.
Describe happiness in your words.
You go first. Okay, the happiness is the feel like I'm a man. Okay. No, can I try it again? Please edit this part. Okay, cut this
Okay,
part.
just continue.
Okay, come on. Maybe you may say it, and then I'm just gonna.
I'm just gonna repeat what I said earlier. For me, happiness is being with people I love and laughing over.
This is for me to like spend quality time with the people that I love. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Now. Then it was different. Now it is different.
No, this clip is no better.
Yeah,
because it
because
has
I
more
have so many
changes.
definitions,
Yes,
yeah.
yes. Thank you very much, guys. Vlada Nation, with us we have a lovely woman from Egypt. Her name is Myrna. Myrna, are you happy?
Yes, I
Okay.
can say that.
Okay, what makes you feel happy?
Like, it's a very nice question, but it's so vague. Like, what makes me especially happy is I love to be kind to people. That makes me so happy or super happy. Another word. And also, I do love exploring new things. That also, like, out of curiosity, it makes me feeling happy. That's it. That what I feel like. That what it's like. Always trying to reach happiness is what makes me happy. It's like it's not like just I'm happy now. It's I feel like it's a temporary thing. Happiness. That's why I'm always trying to be happy, to reach for happiness. That's what happiness means to me.
Okay, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Hello, Dakis. How you doing? Are you happy? What makes you feel happy? In your own words. No one? Okay, thanks a lot for your time. Vlada Nation, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, share, most definitely subscribe and become a part of Vlada Nation. See you in my next video. Be good.